Hi there. I have my A7CII here with the Sony 40mm f2.5. Now, what I am here to show is that I believe for some reason this camera has a fake shutter sound and I can't quite figure it out. I can't find anything in the settings, and it is just set to mechanical shutter. The settings I have here are 1/125th of a second at f2.8, and the ISO is 2500. Take a listen to the shutter sound. Now, while that may have sounded fairly normal, if I take this camera and I cover up right here, which I believe to be speakers, and take the same photos, listen to the difference in sound. Now I have a Sony A6700 with the same lens and set to the same settings. And I have this here because I just wanted to show a camera that I do not believe has any issue like this with some sort of odd shutter sound and what it sounds like. Here, take a listen. I just wanted to make this video because this is not something I have seen anywhere else, and I started to feel like I was going a little bit crazy, but I believe Sony is doing something a little strange with this camera. Thanks for watching.